Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Expobar here. So this machine was not heating at all, and so when I looked inside, I found actually that the heating element was fine, but the safety switch was broken. So that just meant that it was never sending power to the heating element. So I replaced that switch. Here's the old one. With a brand new switch, and I also found that when it did heat, the vacuum release valve was leaking. So you can see this one's kind of old, and the gasket is likely worn. So I just put a brand new vacuum release valve in the machine. So I'm going to do a quick test just to show you that everything is working. I guess I'll show you the shop first. Okay, I'll just stop it there just for demonstration purposes. There you see, nice grandma. And then I'll show you the steam. And let's do the hot water. Alright. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.